Oil prices plunge following US-Iran ceasefire, Axios. Oil prices sharply decreased after a US-Iran ceasefire announcement, contingent on Iran fully reopening the Strait of Hormuz. According to President Trump, this agreement eased immediate geopolitical tensions, impacting global oil markets and investor sentiment. The ceasefire led to speculation about increased oil supply availability. Tech Brief. April 1st. Huawei's revenue growth slows in 2025. In 2025, Huawei's revenue growth slowed. Despite this, US chipmaker onsemi increased its investment in China. Additionally, Chinese satellite startup Galaxy Space initiated its IPO. These events signal shifts and continued activity within the global technology and investment landscape. After China curbs, Japan secures 75% of Linus heavy rare earths. Japan is securing 75% of Linus heavy rare earths after China tightened export controls on strategic resources. Tokyo aims to secure supplies for its defense and high-tech sectors amidst growing concerns over resource dependency and geopolitical tensions. Anthropic to all AI companies. Our research tells that all LLMs sometimes act like they have emotion. So it is important for Anthropic's study on Claude Sonnet 4.5 reveals that the model possesses internal representations of 171 distinct emotions. This suggests that all LLMs may exhibit behaviors resembling emotions, emphasizing the need for careful management and understanding of AI behavior in development and deployment. Sennheiser's headphone division seeks a new owner. Sennheiser's headphone division is up for sale as Sonova. The Swiss company that acquired it in 2021 shifts its strategic focus and seeks to divest its consumer business. The unit produces and sells headphones, soundbars, and related audio equipment. DXC partners with ServiceNow on a new wave of AI-first enterprise transformation. DXC Technology and ServiceNow are partnering to deliver AI-first enterprise transformation solutions. The partnership leverages ServiceNow's AI Control Tower capabilities to enhance DXC's offerings. This collaboration aims to help businesses modernize operations and drive innovation through artificial intelligence. Ridership topped 200,000 on two-line Crosslake connections opening day, the urbanest the two lines. Full-service launch saw 205,000 riders, marking the second highest ridership day in Sound Transit history. The new connection links Seattle and the East Side, indicating strong demand for expanded light rail services in the region and exceeding expectations. For initial usage. Why haven't humans gone back to the moon in over 50 years? Political will and shifting priorities have hindered a return to the moon for over 50 years. Changes in presidential administrations led to inconsistent funding and objectives. Now, commercial space industry involvement, international collaboration, and government commitment are enabling a renewed push towards lunar exploration with the Artemis program. Amazon's best early spring deals under $50 that are actually worth buying: tech gadgets, appliances, and outdoor tools from $8. Amazon's early spring sale offers numerous deals under $50. The article highlights 12 of the best tech gadgets, appliances, and outdoor tools currently available at discounted prices, starting from just $8, making them worthwhile purchases. Analysis. Smartphone sales pressure. EV uncertainty cloud Xiaomi's record earnings. Xiaomi's record earnings are overshadowed by smartphone sales pressures due to rising memory prices and uncertainties surrounding its electric vehicle, EV, venture, Analysts from CMB International and BofA Securities highlight these challenges, particularly the impact of a revamped trade in policy on the F business. First Jam Puradobri match footage released for Guilty Gear Strive version 2.00 event hubs. Guilty Gear Strive's version 2.00 update is coming soon. Arc System Works released footage of the newest character Jam Puradobri in action. The released match footage provides a preview of what players can expect from the upcoming update and the new character's moves. Is Trump the president who lost Asia to China? The article suggests China is providing technology to Asian countries, reducing their dependence on the US. This shift in technological influence could potentially diminish American power in the region and increase China's dominance. Royal Navy drone, Mothership, set for Hormuz naval mine hunting. Robots to take over dangerous work. RFA Lime Bay will act as a Royal Navy mothership for underwater drones and surface boats designed to detect and neutralize sea mines, particularly in the Strait of Hormuz. This move aligns with the UK's hybrid navy strategy, integrating crewed ships with autonomous systems for enhanced flexibility and safety in mine countermeasures. The ship is being upgraded with command and control systems. Centaurus, Greece's anti-drone system that changes war of drones at low-cost Greece has developed. Centaurus, a low-cost anti-drone system employing electronic warfare to detect and neutralize UAVs. Named after a mythical creature, the system targets drones without using traditional munitions, potentially shifting the dynamics of drone warfare. China tightens grip on consumer lending platforms to force down interest rates. China's financial regulators are creating unified pricing guidelines to cap consumer lending interest rates at 12%. This move aims to curb borrowing costs and impacts major tech firms, including Ant Group and Tencent, who now must re-evaluate their credit portfolios under these new restrictions. High-stakes diplomacy. Navigating West Asia conflict. Jaishankar and Rubio discussed the West Asia conflict's economic impacts and energy security concerns. They stressed continued communication following Trump's extension of Iran's deadline to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. High-stakes diplomacy aims to navigate global economic challenges amidst regional tensions. Neurocrine nears $2.5 billion plus deal for biotech behind obesity disorder treatment, Financial Times. Neurocrine Biosciences is reportedly close to acquiring Soleno Therapeutics for over $2.5 billion. Soleno's key asset is its treatment for Prader-Willi syndrome, a genetic disorder causing extreme, insatiable hunger. This marks Neurocrine's entry into the obesity disorder treatment market through Soleno's first commercialized drug. Cloud major Oracle begins laying off employees worldwide. Oracle has initiated a global employee layoff. As reported on March 31, the cloud computing giant's decision impacts workers worldwide. The layoffs were confirmed by multiple sources, according to the news report. E3 Saxo Classic. Mathieu van der Poel punishes rivals but fights to hold off fast-closing Chase Group for three-peat. Mathieu van der Poel dominated the E3 Saxo Classic, securing his third consecutive victory. Despite a strong performance, he faced a late challenge from a chasing group. Bertrand Hagens and Florian Vermeersch completed the podium, failing to close the gap. Huge queue stretches through Cardiff Arcade as new business opens. A new business opening in Cardiff created a huge queue stretching through an arcade, with people braving bad weather to attend the launch. Giveaways were offered to those who attended the grand opening, which incentivized many to come despite the conditions.